Este in your saddlebag edition. Real saddlebag, fake saddlebag. Real hardware, fake hardware. Real heat stamp, and this is the fake heat stamp. Real date code, fake date code. Real monogram, and fake monogram. Whether your Louis Vuitton is fake, the stitching should be nice and yellow and extremely symmetrical. Where the lining of the bags meet should be extremely smooth. The canvas should be slightly grained and a beautiful brown colour. The pocket should be extremely structured and the font is nice and clear. There should always be a code in this part of the bag, and it should read with 2 letters followed by 4 numbers. You should also be able to turn the bag inside out and it look the exact.
Green light, red light, 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 green light, red light.